Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clone a repository from GitHub in a very simple way, step by step. Before we start, make sure you already have Git installed on your computer. If not, go to git-scm.com and install it. Now go to github.com and open the repository you want to clone. On the main page of the repository, you will see a green button called Code. Click on it. You will see a URL. Make sure HTTPS is selected, then copy the link. Now, open your terminal or command prompt on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you want to store the project using the cd command. Once you are in the correct folder, type the following command: git clone, then paste the copied repository URL here. Then press enter. Git will now download the entire repository to your computer. Once it finishes, you will see a new folder with the project name. You can now open it in your code editor and start working on it. That's it. You have successfully cloned a GitHub repository. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.